Citations are crucial, but time-consuming. It's essential to get them right to ensure you properly credit your research sources and don't lose unnecessary points or accidentally plagiarize. From proper formatting to crediting the usage of AI, there's a lot to keep track of. I'm Zach, and I'm here to show you how Grammarly can take the stress out of citations so you can focus on delivering a top-notch assignment with integrity. Let's say I'm a biology student working on a research paper for school. As I work, I incorporate research from websites like Science Direct, Frontiers, and PLOS One to support my ideas. It's crucial that I cite these resources to maintain the integrity of my work. Grammarly makes it easy. With the Grammarly browser extension enabled, I click the Get Citation button while on a website I reference. Grammarly instantly generates a fully formatted citation. I can even have my citation formatted in various styles like APA, MLA, or Chicago. All that's left for me to do is copy and paste this citation directly into my draft. As AI tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT become more popular among students, being transparent about using them has become an important part of citing sources. Since I've used Grammarly to help create an outline and rewrite certain sections of my paper, I'll select Acknowledge Grammarly Gen AI Use. And just like that, I can be transparent about showing any AI prompts I use to improve my work. And if I use ChatGPT, I can also acknowledge it the same way. And when I'm ready to edit my paper, I can polish it off by making sure my citations are mistake-free and consistent. I can use Grammarly to proofread my in-text and full citations to make sure I don't lose any points over formatting. And there you go. With Grammarly, you can effortlessly build and format your citations, saving you time to focus on your research and writing. Plus, it makes it easy and fast to ensure transparency in your work so you can maintain academic honesty. Make sure you download Grammarly for AI writing assistance and subscribe to this channel for tips on up-leveling your communication with AI. Thanks for watching. Now go write.